very good morning to all the boys and girls, members of staff, and as well as our parents joining us this morning. We have survived week 3. Thank you very much for all your hard work during this week. It's been a very tough week again, but thank you so much for working so hard and getting all the work done. Mrs. Delport will be doing the assembly this morning, the message. I'm going to hand over to Mrs. Delport. Mrs. Delport, over to you.
Good morning, boys and girls and mums and dads, and welcome to this week's assembly. Our Southbound's way for this week is perseverance, and I am lucky enough to be able to talk to you about it today. As you know, I love a good Disney movie. They are full of wonderful values that we can learn from, and Finding Nemo is no different. Let's watch this clip together.
Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills. When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dory, no singing.
Dory. I love to swim in.
Dory.
When you want to swim, you want
See,
to
I'm gonna get stuck now with that song. Now it's in my head.
Sorry.
Sometimes we feel just like Marvin did. Things are just too tough. They're just too difficult. Don't give up. Don't give in. Stick with it. Persevere. Remember what Dory sang. When we persevere, we can overcome any challenge. Never give up. Let's do this perseverance thing together. And when things become a little difficult, just remember what that little blue and yellow fish sang.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Please bow your heads in prayer. Dear Lord, come be with us today. Fill our hearts with joy. Fill our minds with learning. Fill our online classrooms with peace. Fill our lessons with fun. Fill our friendships with kindness. Fill our school with love. Amen.
Thank you, Mrs. Delport, for that wonderful message. I really appreciate it. We are going to look at some wonderful work that our pupils have done once again this week. Let's have a look at all the wonderful work that our children have done.
Today we are doing an oil and water experiment. We need oil, a see-through glass, droppers, and water with food coloring. Step 1. Pour the oil into a see-through cup. Step 2. Drop the water into the oil. That is cool. Do they mix?
No, they don't mix.
Let me see. Mine looks like caviar. That is cool. Look how many, look on the side. It's not really separating, it's just bubbling at the bottom, like berries. Let's see if it can mix. Oh no! It does not mix, it just bubbles like it's supposed to. How cool. What happens when we mix the colors?
This is just the water that they're playing with. So what color do you get with blue and red?
Purple.
Very good.
I everyone. Hope we see you next time.
That I'm grateful for in this time of need. It's ow! Oh! Okay, so what I'm also grateful for is that we are still very fortunate to have food and so we still get we can still
Can I please have some cheese? Mommy, can I please have some cheese? Can I?
So another thing that I am personally grateful for is that I can still carry on effectively with my job, and I can still I can still meet with the children and still
Fantastic work. I really enjoyed my chats with Kellen and Ashwin this week. As in the picture, you've seen them developing and working hard on a electronic project that their dad bought them during this time while they're doing their schoolwork. Well done to those two boys. Thank you also to all the grade 7s who chatted to me during the principal's tea again this week. I really appreciate your chats and interaction we have. This coming week will be a much shorter week. There's only 3 days of school. So on Monday, today, we are celebrating Freedom Day. And so there won't be school. Then on Friday, we'll be celebrating Workers' Day. So there's also not school. So it's only 3 days this week, boys and girls. Work hard. Make sure that you get all the work up to date. Enjoy what you're doing. Teachers will be chatting to you a lot more during the week. There will be some online teaching taking place. Make sure that you log in and get in with those meetings, as well as some of the staff will also be chatting to smaller groups. So enjoy this week. So enjoy Freedom Day today and enjoy Friday also as a holiday. We'll catch up again next week. Thank you so much for watching our wonderful assembly. Bye-bye.